Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a special ask of you today. It is that time of year again where I participate in Pelotonia. If you're not aware, Pelotonia is a bike ride that raises money for cancer research. This is my 15th year participating in the ride, and they have raised over $300 million to cancer research. This is done through the Ohio State University, the James Cancer and Research Center. All monies I raise personally go directly to cancer research. So nothing that I raise goes towards the foundation or anything else. It all goes directly towards cancer research, and a big chunk of that goes towards fellowships and scholarships for young scientists who are beginning their research journey. Now, yes, this is done in Ohio, but be aware that we share information, and I say we because I feel very heart connected to the James, and I'll tell you why in a second. But they share knowledge with the world. It is definitely not something that stays here in Ohio. It does go out into the community at large for other researchers to take this knowledge and try to help cure some very nasty diseases out there. My mom and dad both died from cancer, and they both were treated at the James. And so I feel very connected emotionally to this cause. There is a link in the description box below. There is no donation that is too small. There is nothing that they won't take because every dime helps. My goal this year is to raise $5,000. So year 15, I want to be a high roller. So I want to raise $5,000. It's gonna be a long road. We have until August, September to get that done. Now, I did print out for the first 50 folks that donate, we'll get a postcard mailed to them as a thank you. There's some wording on the back, but I designed and printed them. That is me. That is my bike. That is my cousin Debbie. She rides with me. We need a thumbnail. So I have a stack of 50 that will get mailed out to the first 50 folks that I have made any donation whatsoever to my ride. So make sure you put your name and address in the field that asks for it. I think down the road, I'm trying to put together a little giveaway package. So have no fear. I haven't decided what I'm giving away yet, but when I do the drawing for the donations for the prize that I create, it'll come from everybody who has donated to my ride. So it's not about, I set up this giveaway next week and only people who donate then. No, anybody who donates will be entered into the drawing to win. So again, make sure that your name and address is in there and email so I can reach out to you and let you know if you have won one of my giveaways. So I'm super excited for this. I'm hoping the weather turns. It's supposed to be nice this weekend. I need to get out and ride my bike. I will be posting update videos of where I am at fundraiser wise and where I am at with my training. I will be taking a trip in the middle of all this, so it's going to be interesting. But, I'll get it all done. So, yes, I appreciate any help and support that you can offer to me and to this worthy cause. They have done so much in our community and at large for cancer research, and I think it is a fantastic cause if you have the money to help. And like I said, any amount helps. It all adds up. And I feel like we're cutting, some of the things happening in the government right now, cutting some funding for cancer research. It's more important now than ever to get the word out. And sometimes your employer will match your donation. Definitely talk with your employers. That would be fantastic. If you donate $10, sometimes employers will match your donation, and that would be great. If you can share this video, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get a lot of traction on this to drive people to my Pelotonia and to help me raise some money. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for supporting me in my endeavors. And I will talk with you later. Bye.